What's up, Kalamazoo? Chef Josh here, along with resident dietitian Kirsten Strong.
What's up, Kalamazoo?
Can you believe it's October already? For this month's Excelsior recipe rundown, we're going to take a look at the potato, which has ancient ties to Halloween traditions. We're going to make smashed potato bites with a chip dip you're going to want to eat with a spoon. We're going to want to have our oven at a really high temperature to get that really nice, crispy outside and keep the inside soft. The safest way to boil your potatoes is to put them in the pan first and then add cold water, so you're not running the risk of splashing hot water putting the potatoes in.
Before we move on, let's talk a little bit about the potato and Halloween. Potatoes have a dual connection to Irish Halloween traditions. They were carved into lanterns to ward off spirits during the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. And the Great Irish Potato Famine in the 1840s prompted many Irish immigrants to America, carrying their holiday customs, including the turnip carving tradition, which evolved into the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern we use today. Very interesting. Okay, let's get back to mixing our dip.
This recipe is super simple but so flavorful, you're gonna love it. It's just mayonnaise, sour cream, spices, and your fresh squeeze of lemon at the end is really just gonna brighten up all those flavors. What we're looking for here is for the fork to come out nice and clean. It should penetrate the flesh easily. When it comes out nice and clean like that, those puppies are ready to go. Now this is the fun part. After we have our wax paper down, we're gonna smash our potatoes. You can do this a bunch of different ways, whatever you have sitting around the kitchen. You could use a tiny hand, you could use a cup. I actually found a cup's the best method with a little bit of oil on it. A can works. You could even use a shoe. Next, you're going to want to make sure you coat all of these pretty well with oil. You want to make sure the oil is coating them evenly so you get a nice crispy layer across the whole thing. Don't be afraid to be a little liberal with the spices. About 30 minutes in the oven and they're going to come out nice and crispy.
Guess what?
This past September, we served local potatoes from Crisp Country Acres at all of our secondary schools as part of a baked potato bar.
Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, KZoo, thanks for watching. Keep it smooth.